Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let me show us the easiest way to solve this algebraic equation. Now let's go. Solution. Now we are going to find the LCM, and obviously the LCM is the product of the denominators, and then I'm going to do the LCM is x minus 1, x plus 1. Alright, so then what do? We multiply this by this and multiply this by this. So we have x plus 1 multiplying x plus 1, and then plus also this x minus 1 multiplying x minus 1, everything equals to 3. Alright, so we can open the brackets. X times x will give us x squared, x times 1 will give us x times 1 times x will give us x, 1 times 1 will give us 1, okay, then plus this also, x times x will give us x squared, x times minus 1 minus x, minus 1 times x minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1 over, okay, then this we also multiply it, x times x squared, x times plus 1 plus x, minus 1 times x minus x, minus 1 times plus 1 will give us minus 1, then we have equals 3. Alright, so here we have x squared, x plus x will give us 2x, then plus this 1, plus, alright, so here we have x squared minus x will give us minus 2x, then plus 1 over, here we have x squared plus x, we cancel minus x, that gives 0, we have minus 1, everything equals to 3. Okay, so we can open this bracket since we have positive, plus times all these will still give us the signs. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x squared, then this will be minus 2x, and this will be plus 1 over, we have x squared minus 1 equals 3. Alright, so let's collect like terms. We have x squared and x squared will give us 2x squared, plus 2x minus 2x will give us 0, so it means this cancel out this, plus 1 will give us plus 2 over, we have x squared minus 1 equals to 3. Now we can cross multiply. So we cross multiply, we have 2x squared plus 2 equals to 3 multiplying x squared minus 1, and then here we have x squared plus 2 equals to, then we have 3x squared minus, this is 3. We also need to collect like times here. Okay, so we have 3x squared minus 2x squared, and then here we have 2, then it becomes plus 3, and this gives x squared equals to 2 plus 3 is 5. Then let's take square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Okay, and that becomes square root of x squared equals to plus or minus square root of 5. Okay, so when you take the square root of a constant, it can be plus and can be minus. The square cancel the square roots, so we have x equals to plus or minus root 5. That means that x can be equals to root 5 or minus root 5. Right, so this is the answer. Now let's do something very close to that. Let's try something very similar to that. Okay, we have x plus 2 over x minus 3 plus x minus 3 over x plus 2 equals to 5 over 2. Alright, so let's solve this. Let's find the value of x. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, write your answer under the comment section, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.